Is the Moto G54 5G the new budget king? In this video, we're going to unbox the phone and take a look at its design, display, performance, camera, and battery life. We'll also give you our honest opinion on whether or not it's worth buying. So without further ado, let's get started. Unboxing. The Moto G54 5G arrives in a minimalist white box adorned with the iconic Motorola logo on the front, setting the stage for what's inside. Upon opening the box, you'll find the essentials neatly arranged. These include the smartphone itself, a transparent plastic case for added protection, a SIM ejector tool, a USB-C cable for charging and data transfer, and a 10-watt charger. While the inclusion of a charger is appreciated, it's important to note that this isn't a fast charger, and users seeking faster charging speeds may need to invest in a separate accessory, design, and build quality. The Moto G54 5G sports a sleek yet understated design that exudes a sense of elegance. Its plastic back panel is flat and smooth, complemented by a robust metal frame. The smartphone is available in two attractive color options, Arctic Silver and Meteorite Black, catering to various aesthetic preferences. When it comes to build quality, the Moto G54 5G impresses with its solid construction. The phone feels substantial in the hand, and there are no concerning creaks or rattles when handling it. However, the plastic back, while contributing to the device's affordability, can be a tad slippery. To mitigate this, it's advisable to utilize the included clear plastic case for better grip and protection against accidental drops. Display. One of the standout features of the Moto G54 5G is its 6.5-inch IPS LCD display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The display offers a crisp and vibrant visual experience with good color reproduction. Moreover, the viewing angles are commendable, ensuring that content remains clear and vivid even when viewed from various angles. The inclusion of a 120Hz refresh rate contributes to the overall smoothness of the display. It enhances the fluidity of animations, making tasks like scrolling through web pages and navigating the user interface feel notably responsive. However, it's essential to note that this display lacks variable refresh rate technology. As a result, it consistently operates at 120Hz, which, while delivering a smoother experience, may consume more battery power compared to displays that can dynamically adjust their refresh rates based on content performance. Under the hood, the Moto G54 5G is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7020 processor. This mid-range chipset is adept at handling everyday tasks with ease. Accompanying the processor is a generous 12 GB of RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and responsive app performance. In terms of day-to-day usage, the Moto G54 5G performs admirably. Activities like web browsing, social media engagement, and video consumption are handled with aplomb, offering a seamless user experience. However, when faced with more demanding tasks such as graphically intensive gaming or video editing, the device may exhibit some limitations. While it can manage these activities, users should be prepared for occasional stutters and slower render times compared to more powerful flagship devices. Camera. The camera setup on the Moto G54 5G consists of a triple lens system at the rear, comprising a 50-megapixel main sensor, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a 2-megapixel macro sensor. On the front, you'll find a 16-megapixel sensor for selfies and video calls. In well-lit conditions, the primary 50-megapixel sensor delivers respectable results. It captures detailed and sharp images with accurate color reproduction. However, in lower light settings, the camera can struggle, leading to increased noise and reduced image quality. 8-megapixel ultra-wide sensor offers versatility for capturing wide-angle shots. While it provides a broader perspective, it may not match the sharpness and detail of the primary sensor. The 2-megapixel macro lens, while a welcome addition, may not see frequent use due to its limited practicality. For those who enjoy taking selfies or engaging in video calls, a 16-megapixel front-facing camera proves to be a capable performer. It captures clear and vibrant self-portraits, making it suitable for social media sharing and virtual meetings. Battery life. The Moto G54 5G boasts a substantial 5,000 mAh battery, a considerable capacity that aligns well with the demands of modern smartphone users. With this battery size, the device easily achieves all-day battery life, ensuring that users won't be scrambling for a charger before the day is over. While the phone's battery endurance is commendable, it's worth noting that the device supports 10-watt fast charging. Unfortunately, the bundled charger in the box is not a fast charger, which means that users seeking quicker top-ups will need to acquire a separate accessory. Nevertheless, considering the device's affordable price point, this omission can be forgiven. Software. The Moto G54 5G ships with Android 12 right out of the box, offering users the latest iteration of Google's mobile operating system. Motorola has committed to providing 2 major Android updates, along with 3 years of security updates for this device. This commitment to software support is a welcome assurance for potential buyers. In terms of the user interface, Motorola keeps it clean and devoid of bloatware. The software experience is close to stock Android, with only a few added features such as My UX and Moto Display. These additions enhance the user experience without overwhelming the device with unnecessary pre-installed apps or heavy customization. The Moto G54 5G is a commendable addition to Motorola's budget smartphone lineup. It combines a range of appealing features, including a vibrant 120Hz display, capable performance for everyday tasks, a competent camera system, and impressive battery life. Moreover, the device offers a clean and bloat-free software experience along with a commitment to regular software updates. However, it's important to acknowledge the device's imperfections. The slippery plastic back may necessitate the use of the included case for improved grip, and the absence of a variable refresh rate might impact battery life for some users. Additionally, the lack of a fast charger in the box may require an additional investment for those seeking quicker charging times. So that's our unboxing and review of the Moto G54 5G. Overall, we're very impressed with this phone. It has a great display, good performance, a good camera system, and excellent battery life. All of this for a very affordable price. If you're looking for a new budget smartphone, we highly recommend the Moto G54 5G. It's one of the best value for money phones on the market. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tech videos.